quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is represented by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x squared. It's called coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x. C is called constant. C is called constant. Now this quadratic equation can be solved by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. It is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus the whole square root of b squared minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, where b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac is called d, that is discriminant. Some authors, they represent this by delta also. So based on this, we can have the nature of roots also. Nature of roots. If d, that is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal and real. If d is greater than 0, roots are greater than 0 means positive. Roots are unique, that is real and unique or distinct. Third one, if d is less than 0, that is negative, then roots are not real or not real. They are called imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Now let us see some problems based on the discriminant. We can find out whether the given quadratic equations have what type of roots, that is nature of roots. Take down problem. You can write in the question bank. State whether the following quadratic equations have two distinct real roots. Justify your answer. 1. X cube minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. 2. 2x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3. 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Now let us consider the first problem. X cube minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the general format of quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we can compare these two equations. When we compare these two equations, you just find out the coefficient of x cube. This is x cube actually. This is x cube, this is 3x, this is 4. Whereas this is ax squared plus bx plus c. So first of all, we have to compare these two. Okay? And actually this is not x cube, this is x squared. So we have to compare these two equations. Okay? So what is the coefficient of x squared? That is a is equal to 1 here. And what is the coefficient of x? That is b is equal to minus 3. And what is the coefficient of c? Not coefficient, constant is equal to 4. So c is equal to 4. Now what is the discriminant? Discriminant is given by d, that is b squared minus 4ac. So we have to check this b squared minus 4ac whether it is equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Let us find out. So d is equal to, what is b? Minus 3, put the bracket, then square, minus 4, and a is 1 and c is 4. Okay. Now d is equal to minus 3 squared is nothing but plus 9 minus 4 into 4, that is 16. So that is equal to, it gives a negative value, minus 7. So since d is negative, okay, so the roots are imaginary. Are you able to follow? Take down. They are imaginary and they are not, that is, distinct and real roots. Okay, so it has no real roots. It has no real roots. Now second question. 2x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x squared, now what is a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. Now in this case, we can find out whether d is positive or negative or equal, that is 0. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So this is the formula you have to apply. So d is equal to b squared, 1 squared, minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into minus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 4 into 2, 8, minus into minus plus, 8 into 1, okay, it becomes 8. Therefore 9. So it means d is positive. If d is positive, means it is having distinct real roots. So it has two distinct real roots. Are you able to follow this? Right. Next one. It represents the quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem. 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 by 2. Okay. Take down third one. 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. So what is A? 2. What is B? Minus 6. And what is C? 9 by 2. Okay. Now let us have the equation. We know the formula. D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. Okay. So we have to apply. So D is equal to B squared minus 6 whole square. 4. What is A? 2. C. 9 by 2. Okay. So minus minus plus 36. And this is 36. So that is equal to 0. So in this case, D is equal to 0. So it means it has equal and real roots. So the given quadratic equation has equal and real roots. Okay? Right. Now let me give you another set of problems. Try to solve this. Take down x plus 4 whole square minus 8x is equal to 0. Second question. X minus root 2 the whole square minus root 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Third one. Root 2 x squared minus 3 by root 2 x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I will give you some clues. For this problem, you had to expand it. You can apply a plus b whole squared formula and convert it into quadratic equation. Similarly, this can also be expanded completely. And in this case, you can multiply by root 2 so that you will be able to get the quadratic like formula. Okay, the entire equation can be multiplied by root 2 so that root 2 into root 2 2, and this root 2 in the denominator can be cancelled. Okay, can you do it? Try.